know about the International Space Station. Today I am going to share some important facts about the ISS. The ISS, the International Space Station, commonly known as the ISS, is the largest space laboratory present in the low Earth orbit. It is an artificial satellite, which means it is an object made by humans that orbits Earth. The construction of the ISS started in November 1988. 16 countries worked together to build the ISS. It was launched by USA and Russia with the help of experts from Japan, Europe and Canada. The ISS weighs 400 tons. It was not possible to build such a huge satellite on the Earth and take it to space with the help of a spacecraft. So, scientists made several small units of the ISS and linked them up together in space. The first unit was named Zarya, which means sunrise in the Russian language. The ISS can orbit the Earth at the speed of 28,800 km per hour. It takes 92 minutes to complete one orbit of the Earth. It can take 16 orbits of the Earth in one day. The ISS looks like a big house from the inside. It has 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 gym with a big bay window. It has 6 docking ports from which 6 spacecrafts can dock at the ISS at the same time. The ISS American astronaut, a crew of 7 astronauts can stay in the ISS for about 6 months. American astronaut Peggy Whitson was the first woman commander to spend maximum days in space. She spent 665 days in space. I was shocked to know that she spent 665 days in space. The main purpose to build the ISS was to provide space environment for astronauts for space research, because microgravity environment is not possible on the Earth. Our ISRO is also planning to build its own space center. When I grow up, it is my dream that I will give my contribution in space research. Thank you everyone for your patience.